The search for Kenya's next Deputy Chief Justice entered day 4 today, with Court of Appeal Judge Martha Koome and former Vice Chair of the now defunct Electoral Commission of Kenya, Pamela Mwikali Tutui, appearing before the tribunal. Ngele with the day's highlights.
The Federation of Women Lawyers?
Yes.
And you are also the president of KMJA?
Yes.
You are also a committee member of LSK?
Yes.
You are also a member.
With an industrious 26-year career in the legal profession, Lady Justice Martha Koome became the 7th candidate to prove her suitability for the position of Deputy Chief Justice. In her career, the Court of Appeal judge has distinguished herself as a defender of human rights, with specific concentration on children and gender rights.
How safe is a litigant judge before you, where you are hearing a matter involving the violation of rights of a woman or of a child? Wouldn't
Yes.
the inner you sympathize and want to hold in favor of the violated woman and child?
The inner me sees no gender when I'm dealing with litigants before my court. The inner me sees justice, sees equality, sees access to justice. It doesn't have to be a woman. Even a man sometimes is a victim of discrimination.
Do you think children in the legal system are a marginalized lot, especially in the courts? And if you think so, what would you do differently?
Yes, they are marginalized because the experience has shown that 40% or slightly higher than that number of children who are in the justice system in the first place ought not to be in the justice system. So we need a diversionary system, which we are recommending in the law, because now we are working on the amendment to the Children Act, and also we are proposing a child justice law that deals separately with the children in conflict with the law.
Also displaying their expertise was Ms. Pamela Mwikali Tutui, the former vice chairman of the now defunct Electoral Commission of Kenya, whose commissioners have been accused of bungling the 2007 general election.
What happened to those elections under your watch?
The country banned because the parties who disputed the elections, first and foremost, refused to follow the procedures that were laid down of where a party feels aggrieved, that is to come to court, and the reasons they gave is that they had no faith in the judicial process. Even before the elections, there were sides, in the political sides, some were calling and saying, we will not accept these elections if we are not the winners.
Do you believe that we can trust you with similar circumstances, right, in the Supreme Court?
Yes, I can say in no uncertain terms that you can trust me by giving me that position in the Supreme Court.
Next on the hot seat, High Court Judge Pauline Nyamweya and Court of Appeal Judge Philomena Mwilu, who are set to appear before the Commission on Monday, the 3rd of October. Ngele, KTN News.